Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports KRX 1000 air intake vent cover set. These vent covers fit the 2020 plus Kawasaki KRX 2 and 4 door models. Install time is 30 to 45 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. Tools needed for this job are a Phillips screwdriver, a step drill bit, a power drill, a nutsert tool, a 3mm Allen wrench, and don't forget your safety glasses. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the factory grills. Do this by grabbing a Phillips screwdriver and unscrewing the 7 plastic screws shown here. Then, remove the plugs and frog skin plate, and repeat this step to the other side. Next, there are 2 ways you can install these vent covers. We will start with method number 1. This method uses the factory plastic clip hardware to secure the covers. First, grab a plug and determine its size against a step drill bit. Then, slightly go up a size larger, so the plugs can expand properly, giving a tight fitting. Next, grab the raw DRT intake cover and drill out the mounting holes to the determined size. Now, grab the black intake cover, and do the same. They should look like this when completed. Next, grab the factory frog skin, then the raw cover, and then the black cover, stacking them as you see here. Now, align the mounting holes, and reinsert the 7 factory plugs into the covers. Then, set the cover in place over the intake box, and push each plug into the box. Next, screw each plastic screw into the plug, or push them through with your finger, depending on how many times they have been used previously. Lastly, grab the DRT logo badge, peel off the backing, and adhere it equally in the center of the cutout, as you see here. Now, repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle. This installation method has a factory look, and still securely holds the intake covers in place. Also, making it easy to pull and clean the frog skins when needed. This next method uses the supplied nutserts and Allen bolt hardware to secure the covers. First, grab a nutsert and determine its size against a step drill bit. Then, slightly go up a size larger, so the nutsert can expand properly, giving a tight fitting. Next, drill out the mounting holes in the intake box to the determined size. The box should look like this when completed, and the nut cert should snap in snugly as seen here. Now, grab a nut cert tool, screw on a nut cert, snap it in a hole, and crimp the nut cert in place. If it doesn't crimp down tight enough, as you can feel it when crimping, unscrew it, and then back on, and crimp it again. You will feel it grip tighter this time. Insert all 7 nut certs, and you are ready for next steps. Next, grab the factory frog skin, then the raw cover, and then the black cover, stacking them as you see here. Now, align the mounting holes and insert the 7 supplied 3mm Allen bolts into the covers. Thread in each one by hand to start the screw. Next, grab the Allen wrench and go back and tighten down each one, being careful not to over-tighten. Lastly, grab the DRT logo badge, peel off the backing, and adhere it equally in the center of the cutout as you see here. Now, repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle. This installation method has a clean look and securely holds the intake covers in place, much better than the first method. It just takes a little longer to remove and clean the frog skins when needed. Congrats, that completes your DRT KRX air intake cover set. This air intake vent cover set is a great way to upgrade the look of your KRX airboxes, while adding protection to the mesh air filters. This multi-layer laser-cut intake vent cover set includes a top plate finished in black powder coat, and a contrasting bright anodized mesh backplate. The kit includes DRT Motorsports Aluminum badges to complete the look. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.